Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting evidence immediately. Enable Extended Events or Profiler to capture deadlock graphs and statements. While you do that, note SPID and the resources they wait on, because knowing what each session locks is essential. Gather execution plans and the isolation level, since behavior differs under read committed versus snapshot isolation. Once the trace runs, reproduce the scenario if safe. This gives reproducible deadlock graphs. Make sure to log timestamps and application call sequences for later correlation. Now analyze the deadlock graph to identify the cycle, who holds locks and who waits, and whether locks are shared, update, or exclusive. You should compare the exact statement text and the execution plans. Mismatched index usage often forces scans and lock escalation. Then isolate long-running transactions and large DML batches, because they increase lock duration and collision probability. Once you identify conflicting object access order, trace code paths in the app so you can change order or reduce lock footprint. To fix the deadlock, change what causes the cycle. Add or tune indexes so queries use the same access path, reorder statements to acquire resources consistently, and shorten transactions to reduce lock time. If appropriate, enable read committed snapshot or snapshot isolation to reduce read-write conflicts. However, evaluate tempDB impact. Also add application retry logic for transient victims and split large batches into smaller commits. If problems continue, raise deadlock priority or capture additional traces and retest after each change to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.